Today I'm going to be showing how to use a Furoshiki wrap to wrap a small gift. These are the wraps that I make and carry in my shop. They are plant dyed. This one is avocado on some really good fabric. And what I love about these wraps is that you don't throw it away like regular wrapping paper. It can be reused. You could seam it and create a napkin or a hanky. And you can use it to rewrap other gifts. Or you could put it in a patchwork quilt. There's all kinds of uses for them. And they're beautiful under the tree. So I'm going to teach you how to use the fabric to wrap your gift. Alright, so the very first thing that you'll do is unwrap the fabric and set it out in sort of a diamond shape so that the points face you, and then one towards your left arm and one towards your right arm. And you're going to place your gift as close to in the middle as you can. The next step is you're going to fold the top corner all the way down to meet the edge of the gift. And then you're going to take the bottom corner and you're going to fold it all the way up, just like that. And then you're going to take this corner and this corner. You're going to reach them up like this. And you're going to tie them together in the middle. And you're just going to grab them here. And you're just going to tie a square knot or a double knot. All right, so as you can see, I switched the orientation of my book to where the long end of the book goes this way, just to make it a little easier to tie it in the middle. You'll find that whenever you start wrapping your gifts. So the last step, and yes, we're almost finished already, is see this little guy? You want to kind of pull him up, get him all situated, and feel free to spend some time here too on the knot because you want it to look nice, and just do it until you're satisfied. And so the last step is to just kind of wrap him around. And tuck him in. And that's it. It's such a sweet wabi-sabi sort of look. And I hope that you have fun using your Furoshiki wrap to wrap your gifts this season. Thanks so much.